Have you ever tried chai flavor in your coffee? What if you could make this in your stovetop espresso maker? I have tried this at home and the result I will show you. If you have one of this Italian coffee maker known as Bialetti Moka Express, then you can make all sorts of coffee, including this spiced coffee. So how do we make it? Simply get your mocha pot ready, then let the milk boil on the side, which you will need at the end. Meanwhile, you can crush the cardamom and ginger. I'm not using ginger for my recipe, but it does give a strong flavor if you use it. Then I'm putting all the spices in the middle chamber where you would only put grinded coffee. Then the bottom chamber with hot water. When you fill up water, make sure to only fill up until the line is marked in your pot. Then simply place that in the water chamber. Now it's time to fill up with grinded coffee. I'm using Starbucks espresso blend, but you can use any coffee grinded for espresso. Simply fill it up on top of the spices and give it a good press. Before you close it with the top, give it a clean and close it properly. Then place it on the stove and that's it. Wait for the magic. As soon as the water evaporates and gone up to the top chamber, make sure to take out from the heat and pour it into the cup. I'm already going crazy with the nice aroma. Now it's time to pour the milk in the coffee. As you can see how easy it was to make it with this stovetop espresso maker. So, are you going to try it? Let me know if you do, and please give it a like and subscribe. Now I will add a bit of cinnamon powder and it's done.